Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as always we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel your Amazon subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this Amazon shopping app that you have installed in your mobile phone. Once you're in this homepage of your Amazon shopping app, after logging in, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this option, tap on this profile icon given below. Once you're in this section, you're gonna find this kind of interface over here, right? So what you're gonna do you're simply gonna go ahead, tap on this option called your account, and then in this section you will be able to find so many settings given over here. And if you scroll down, you will, in this account settings menu, you will find this option called manage Prime membership, and in below you will find this option called membership and subscription. In this account settings, go ahead, tap on that option given below. And in this section you can see I do not have any subscription taken yet. If you have taken to any of the subscription, you will find this subscription over here. Go ahead, tap on it, and you can choose to either change your plan, or if you want to daily cancel it, tap on this cancel option that will be given below. And once you have tapped on it, give a valid reason for it, and then you will again reconfirm it. That way you will be able to simply cancel a subscription from Amazon like that. So yes guys, this is basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.